Hello guys, this is Kate Extreme Vlogging, and for today we are featuring in our channel the new established company located here in Antipolo, Rizal, which is managed by a young woman at 27 years old, and the company name is Abakirin and Company. Okay, they are offering their audio guest book telephone booth. As you can see in your monitor, they are offering a Vax Studio, so you can do your own pictures. Yes, as you can see there in the monitor, yes, they are offering also a slash bar, an ice cream bar, a perfume bar as well. Yes, your events will be completely perfect because these people are professionals. Yes. Ayan po, nakikita nyo po sa inyong likod at busy pa po sila sa pag-install ng lahat because of this bridal fair and food tasting that happens here at Siena, Antipolo, Rizal. Okay. So, nakikita nyo po sa inyong harapan, inquiries at backstudio.com by Vertex 09760-368-725. Contact na po kung kailangan nyo po ng mga item na to para po sa inyong special events. For details, please text or inquiries at vaxstudio.com for more details po. At para po malaman nyo kung ano-ano at magkano, kung ilan po ang inyong bisita para po malaman natin ang presyo. So, ayan po, they can cater here in beside Antipolo, Manila area. So, at this time po, ganun muna yung mga lugar. So, kung gusto nyo po ng perfect events, ito po yung pinakamagandang nasa loob ng inyong events like wedding, debut, birthdays, bridal shower, or what you called it, nuptial, yes, yung pagpapabinyag, ayan po. At ito po ang kailangan ninyo. So, they have slash bar, yes, at any flavor that you want, request, yes, they can do that. Even in ice cream bar, whatever flavor that you like or requested, is they can do it. And then, so their telephone booth, you can use it as well to record your voice. And after that, after all the recording, yes, whatever that your message is for the couples will be played on that audio booth. Okay, so there is also a Vax Studio where you can bring your friends to have a photo, yes, as a group or a solo, and this will be your memories from that such event. Okay, inquiries at backstudio.com and text for 09760-368-725. Ayan po. At yes po, kung magpapabook naman kayo is of course you have to put your deposit on it para po ma-confirm ang inyong events. Okay? So kahit po ang events nyo ay next year, it's also okay to pay it in advance as well. Okay? So you are confirmed already. Then all your requested will be written. Then afterwards, yes, yung final po yung actual na events ng nag-order. Okay? So ganun lang po. Don't forget to like and share. At sa lahat po ng hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And at the same time, we will feature other businesses here on my channel. Yung mga papakita po natin, yung mga naging successful na mga Gensis na nagbukas po ng negosyo dito po sa Pilipinas. Ayan po, dito lang po nyo yan makikita kay Kate Extreme Channel.
ma'am. Pagkaubos mo, try natin yung iPad. Ito ma'am, iPad ma'am.
Wala na kami. Yan ang papalit sa akin. Fresh latte ba din?
Di ba ang fresh?
Mas fresh pa sa air freshener. Amoy air fresh.
Si ate ba din eh?
Uy,
Mag-computa ako pagka-hour ng Robinson sa...
sobrang dami lang. Binigay ko naman yung option.
Yan ang papalit sa amin. Wala na kami.
Yan ang papalit sa akin. Fresh latte ba din?
Di ba ang fresh?
Mas fresh pa sa air freshener. Amoy air fresh.
Si ate ba din eh?
Uy,
Hindi, mag-computa ako pagka-hour ng Robinson sa...
sobrang dami lang. Binigay ko naman yung option.